pictures of you. Welcome to another video, folks. I chose this spot simply because I thought that looked cool. Let's see what we can build here though. You don't gotta go far for dead wood. There's plenty of it in this little forest. Should get us going at least. Gonna keep this shelter pretty small, because we're gonna try and heat it with a little hobo stove. Yep. Still in my hand. Yeah. So what we're doing here, we're creating a cavity in between the two sticks. And we're going to stuff them with moss. So we gotta go moss hunting. Goji, you wanna go get some moss? Let's go, Goji Cam. Go. Oh yes. You're of no help, you know that? Hello, buddy. Good camera work. Oh, look at that. And we build it up layer after layer. We gotta try and compress them a little bit and give them more stability. A little bit more structure. Hey, bud. Do you think it's dinner time, you big fool? Yeah, kind of in the way of the camera, buddy. Do you think there's something in here? Do not go digging that wall now. Get. And the only reason I actually stripped the bark off them was just for a bit of contrast. Makes them look a bit nicer. Alright, that's one. Next one. And that's two. That look cool, Goji? That's going to be his bed, believe it or not. Let's hope you don't knock it down with your big bum. It looked bigger from the outside. We'll have to pack it up good so we can come right out to the edge. Sorry, Goji, I miscalculated. But it's gonna be comfortable, I promise you, buddy. No, not yet. Get out. Go on, get. Now, you want to try that out now? That's your bed. Is it too small? Now, how's that? Any better, buddy? There you go. Go on, twirl around. Perfect. Good job. Right, we're onto the walls. Yep. See, can we find some nice big dead trees? What's in there? Apart from Goji. Oh, this looks swampy. Ah, it is. Ah. Trust your instincts, son. Yeah, silly paddy. Aha, this is what we're looking for. Perfect. Any life left in them at all? Yep. We'll make that work. So all this wood, it's all well rotted. Still a little bit of life left, but there's no structural strength. Get in there. So all it's really good for is stacking on top of each other. Guess who likes their bed? And so on. I think moss is becoming my new favourite building material. What's up, dog? We're being watched. Starting to get a bit dark for filming. Me and Goji are going to press on into the night, and we'll be back in the morning. We'll show you the results. Hopefully it's good. Well, as you can see, we didn't get finished last night. We ran out of time and moss. We're back on the moss hunt again. Yeah. Maybe one more. Number 3. That's enough. Still a lot easier than gathering wood. Another new technique. I'm really starting to love that moss. It's so easy to work with. Didn't want that to break. Putting the home for that leftover moss. That wasn't hard at all. Ow! Hit me with your tail. I just used half my bed filling to fill in all them gaps. We're back to square one. We need more bed filling now. Ugh. That's better. That's what we're after. What's the odds now we'll find Goji lying in here instead of his bed? I think the odds are quite high. That didn't take long, did it? I'm glad I got that on camera. Right, before we start in that door, I think we'll make a little kitchen and get some lunch going. Because we skipped breakfast this morning. Don't you dare! Nothing fancy, just enough to protect the forest and the fire from the wind. Now we get some, we line that with sand as well. The ground is drier than usual, but still damp. Right, buddy, we've got 2 to choose from: chicken and mushroom or steak and kidney. Which one do you want? You pick one. Go on, go get it. You can't pick both of them. Pick one. You want steak and kidney? Good man. Well, I'm going first. goes in there first. Whoops. So, Goji, remember you said you wanted steak and kidney? Well, you could be getting chicken and mushroom. Slightly overdone on the top. Dang it. Goji won't mind. Okay. Take two. Somebody has no patience at all. It's too hot. Grill all you want. No. And when I said we skipped breakfast earlier, I meant me, not him. He had his breakfast. This is second breakfast. Second breakfast? Go on. Came over there looking for more. You've already had two breakfasts. Knock it off. Ooh. Oh. I think that's acceptable. It's going to be part of our little hobo stove later on. Right, how are we going to do this? It's a new door design. Oh yeah. Here we go, nice simple door. Oh. Come on, Paddy, you know how to make a door. Hold on, let me put a cross brace in there. Okay, take two. That's better. Okay, need some fine tuning. But we're nearly there. A few tweaks later, and we finally got it. Yes! Because this is a pretty flat roof, there's really only one solution to that. Plastic. If you don't like plastic roofs, I have plenty of videos where I've done natural roofs. Go check one of them out. Ugh, more moss. Hey bud, you want to go back in? Now, nobody will know there's plastic under there. Everyone's happy. Make sure the start of the show stays dry too. We better start this hobo stove before it gets dark. This is why I got the small can, so it will fit inside the big coffee can. Something like this. My t-shirt's gonna be a belly top soon. Cotton makes a great wick. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure them wicks touch the bottom so it can suck up the oil. This is just vegetable oil. Oh yeah. Having two wicks gives us heat settings as well. We can have a low or a high flame. Oh. Yep, it's pitch dark. It's just rained for the past hour. So we lost our last hour of daylight. But look, we have the lanterns, so we'll carry on. The water level definitely rose. I hope we're safe tonight. I figured we may as well continue our castle theme with 2 towers on the drawbridge. And make myself a throne. It's an accident waiting to happen. I can't even see what I'm doing. Ah, that's better. What could that be? Yep, you guessed it. Pretty elegant. It's starting to look like a throne. A throne? A throne. Oh. Does it look comfortable? It's not comfortable. Better than sitting in the wet room. Right. I think we all know what time of day it is. That's got to be the hardest cup of water I've ever had to boil. Everything is so... Cheers, everyone. But worth it as always. Here's the real trick. I must be getting good at it. He hasn't come out. You know what? Oh, you can't go over that way. It doesn't like the smoke. Yeah, I'll chew this one. Oh boy. Oh, because it was too big to swallow. That smoke is driving me crazy. Let's call it a night. I made you a bed. Get down to your own bed. Definition of own bed? You mean your bed? You're a fool. Houston, we have a problem. Oh. That's all we're getting. I think the oil is too far from the burn point. We have to make some adjustments. Okay, take two. We made a bigger wick as well, a wider wick. Oh, yep, it's sizzling hot. See you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. We're having a traditional hobo style breakfast. It might take a while though, but we'll definitely get some warm beans. Oh, it's definitely getting warm. Oh yes. It's no microwave now. It took 25 minutes. 25 minutes for warm beans. And I love to share. And I know Goji likes beans. Beans for Goji? Something I can actually eat quicker than Goji. I won. Are they too hard to pick up? Teach him how to use a spoon. Well, thanks for joining us on another trip, folks. Yeah, it doesn't blow out easy. Ah, here we go. Alright, let's pack up, buddy. See us all next week, folks.